good it's mighty. So don't you speak about my chainsaw.
Chainsaw got amputated.
Amputated. It does the amputating. Watch this.
So crazy.
Sound like a dirt bike. Who sound like a dirt bike? You sound like a dirt bike.
Hi, babe. What, spin the wheel? Do you want to see how you die?
No, I don't want to
Come
know.
on now.
No.
You big scaredy cat. You don't want to see how you die?
No,
Prepared?
I don't think so.
Oh my gosh.
They're all not good.
Come on, I'm going to spin for you.
Okay.
I'm going to spin for you. Let's see how you die.
Okay.
Anchovies. It's always anchovies. Anyways, if you eat anchovies, I already judge you for eating anchovies.
All
That's
right.
good.
I'll stay away from
You better
anchovies.
stay away from anchovies. Bye, babe.
Spin the wheel.
Do it. Spin it. Yeah.
Birds. Anchovies.
You know, there's this one fella around here, he got one arm, and he kind of looks like a jacked up dog, so we call him Pibble. Yep, and someone needs to wash that boy's belly, I'll tell you what. There's Pibble right there. There's Pibble. There's me. There's Pibble. There's Pibble.
Oh, hey, people. Hey, people, I missed you. Oh, y'all baby is here.